Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have an awesome card using one of our new bundles. Now remember, our May card class sales event is still going on, so when you spend $35 up until the 28th, so you still have a few more days, I will send you a kit of those cards for free. I'm going to put a link, so if you missed the video, you can go back and look. And if you spend $50, I am going to also send you a pack of the iridescent pearls for free. And if you spend $75, you get an additional 10 cards. So you won't want to miss out on that. Really good deal. Okay, so today's card, we are using this gorgeous Circle Sayings bundle. So fun, so versatile. It could be used for thank you, birthday, hello, thinking of you. You could do a sympathy card. You know, you could even send a get well card. It's got several different sentiments. You've got flowers, you have the ocean, we have, well, here's another ocean. So we have some shells, cupcake, all kinds of fun stuff. And then you can get it in a bundle with this great 2 3/8 inch circle punch. Love the circle punches, missed them so much. So I'm really happy to have that new circle punch. And this is big enough, you can use this with a lot of the different stamp sets in the catalog. Okay, so let me just give you a peek of the card that we're making. So we made this card in our new catalog launch party. I also used it in one of our leader swaps, Trip Achiever swaps, and I just thought it was so cute, so I used it there, and then I thought I would share it with all of you. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to set that there so you can kind of see it as we go. I have a piece of Melon Mambo cardstock. This is one of my favorite core colors. I love pink, I love dark pink, bright pink. I also love light pink. So this is one of our new colors. It is Bubble Bath. I keep wanting to call it Bubble Gum, so if you hear me call it Bubble Gum, I really mean Bubble Bath. And then I've used one of our online exclusive products. It's a trio of embossing folders. So it has this polka dot pattern, it has a crosshatch pattern, and it has one other pattern. Here's the crosshatch. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm trying to think what the other one is. No, that's not it. I think it's little flowers. That's what it is. It's almost like starfish, but I think it's more floral. So I love these two. I haven't used the other one yet, so I'll let you know how that turns out. Okay, so I've used the polka dot one, which is my favorite, because this reminds me of kind of those old chenille bedspreads. And somebody else had said something. What did it remind them of? Maybe I'll think of it in a minute. Okay, I put some new seal adhesive in here. Let's get this going. So we're just going to adhere this down, and I will post the measurements and supplies on my blog, so the link will be in the description. All right, now I've cut a little piece of vellum cardstock, and I'm just going to add a little adhesive in the center and stick that on. Okay, then I've used the Stylish Shape dies, and I've cut a die out of a circle out of the Melon Mambo, and then I've already punched a circle out of the basic white using the punch, and I'm going to use this circle one. You can tell I've used this a lot. It's all stained. Anything with red is going to stain, just saying. So we're going to do this Celebrate image, and I've put it on. I'm going to bring that a little closer to me, and if my head gets in the way, I apologize. I just put it on there so I can see to make sure that that is centered. It looks pretty centered. Okay, let's pop that up. All right, that looks good. I think that's all I need to stamp with that color. And now I'm going to adhere this. I didn't adhere at first because if I messed up, I can always flip it over and do it again. Okay, now we have some of this ribbon. This is from the Zany Zoo, the Zany Zoo Suite. It comes in a pack, and I'm using the lemon lime ribbon. So I folded it in half, and I'm just sticking it to some seal adhesive right here to hold it in place. I just want to separate it just a bit. Okay, this is going to be covered, so we're not too worried about the middle. But I'm going to trim that just a little. I don't want it to stick outside my card. Okay. Cute. I'm going to move this down just a hair. I want it to go down. Okay, now we're going to pop this up, and I want to make sure I want it with one of the Celebrates up at the very top and then two kind of coming off the sides. So I'm looking for I've got a little bit of dimensional there. That's done. I was just looking for my other sheet of dimensionals because I just had it here. There it is. Okay. We'll just pop up one down there. All right. Gonna put that Celebrate right there. Okay, cute. Then I have 3 of our small rhinestones. And I'm gonna put these right where those little dots are on the Celebrate. So you could use really any embellishment you have, but I just think these little rhinestones are the sparkliest thing we have. And with the pinks, they go perfectly. Okay. All right, so I've got this little scrap of white, and then I have a piece of white for the inside. So I'm gonna grab my Memento. I'm just gonna ink up our cupcake. That's one of the images in there. And let me ink up the happy birthday. I'm gonna stamp happy birthday right here for the inside of our card. Not super straight, let's try that one more time. Okay, better. Isn't it great that we have double-sided paper? All right, we're gonna grab some of our blends and we're gonna color our adorable little cupcake. Not our pupcake. I'm going to use the dark lemon lolly to just color my cupcake sponge right there. There's just a sliver of that. We're going to use the Bubble Bath to color our fun frosting. Okay. This is small, so it colors very quickly. And then I am using, what color is this? This is Parakeet Party. And we're just gonna color our cupcake paper with Parakeet Party. And then I'm gonna let that dry for just a second. I'm gonna use the other end. I could use the other color, but I can just go over with the other end, do a little bit of shading to give it that, that effect. Okay, now we do not have a die for this one, so we do have to trim it out, but it's very small, so it doesn't take long. And I always like to leave a little bit of white around the edge. It's just easier to cut that way, and it's more forgiving for making mistakes too. Plus, it almost looks like it's die cut because our dies do leave a little bit of white around the edges too. So 3 reasons why it's good to leave some white when you're trimming out an image. Mostly because it's forgiving. That's the main one. Okay. Adorable. Okay, I'm going to use a little wink of Stella on my frosting just to add that little bit of sparkle to go with our rhinestones. Okay, cute. All right, I'm going to put just 2 mini dimensionals on there. I'm going to pop that up right in the center of our circle. Room for so many things. So this is super versatile. I'll be using this in the future because it's adorable. Today we're just, this week we're just doing 1 card, but you will be seeing this more in the future. So I hope you like this card. I think it's really cute. This is perfect for any woman or a little girl, just because of the pink and the sparkles and the polka dots. I mean, who doesn't love pink and green together? So yes, this, you know what? I think we might do more. Might do some more this week using the circle sayings. We'll see. We'll see how it goes for Saturday. All right. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to place your orders this week for the ordering special, and I will see you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.